uncomfortable. Just so questionable. Ah! Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be another trying on strange fashion items. I found some more items that I really wanted to share with you that I personally would never ever wear, but if you guys would, that's great. This is my previous, what we'll call part 1 to this video, and you guys really enjoyed it, so obviously I'm doing a part 2, but before I start, a couple of things to mention. Number 1, I've missed an entire portion of my arm while fake tanning. I don't know how this has happened. I don't really understand. And number 2, I did an exercise class, came home and thought it would be really fun to do some squats with some new resistance bands that are really, really strong. And now my legs, they don't really like me. So if I don't jump around quite so much this video, that'll be why. My legs are in agony. We're gonna try on some very questionable pieces of fashion. Item numero uno. I purchased some jeans. I'm not too sure whether these were from Zaful or Shein. They were from one of them. They're a pair of jeans slash shorts with the rest of the jean put back on with chains. So I saw them and thought, well, they're interesting. I will give those a go. They could look okay, to be fair, but so just so questionable. And it also looks, wait, oh my goodness, I'm gonna make this even better. I'm gonna detach one leg piece and wear a pair of shorts with one leg. I just cut my toe on the chain, so that's spiffing. These are actually quite a nice pair of shorts. A little bit tight around the waist. They look a lot better on. Somebody just rang the doorbell. I'm wearing this. The jeans are not Amazon delivery driver approved. I got a very, very, very strange look for wearing them. And that may be why. I haven't done them up and it's sticking out. And that must look really, really weird. Great, great. You haven't cut the buttonhole, so I've got to do it again. It's just not really clear where I'm meant to be cutting. So, I mean, I'm not a seamstress. I don't really know what's happening. I'm just gonna do my best. Jeans are on, and I really didn't think I was gonna say this, but I don't hate them. I don't hate them. I don't know if I would ever wear them out, but I don't hate them. These jeans are extremely comfortable. Just the short area. I mean, I can't really feel the legs too much, and this bit does feel a little bit weird, but the short area, they're a really nice, comfortable pair of jeans. I'm very happy with them. And they do not look as bad as I thought they would. They look pretty fine. I mean, I may not wear them myself, but I would not question someone wearing these. I don't know, they're really quite cute. And if I'm out and about and it gets a little bit warm, I can just disconnect my leg. Just like, oh, it's a little warm out. Toodle pip, now I have shorts. Look at this. I'm gonna stick with this fashion choice because it looks more interesting. The both legs actually looked okay, but this is something else. Okay, item number 2 is also from Shein or Zaful, but I don't remember which. I actually filmed a video where I recreated one of these, like I DIY'd one myself. And that is a long-sleeved sweater, like so, long-sleeve sweater, with no front to it. So it's cropped all the way to the top, so you're basically just wearing sleeves. Oh goodness. Oh, the makeup is gonna go, We're through. So I have a back to my sweater, but no front to my sweater. It's interesting. Maybe I shouldn't have worn stripes. Maybe that's putting me off. Maybe I should have. I don't know how to make this better. What are we thinking? Does it look better with a crop top? I don't really understand what's happened here. It looks a little like I've been in a fight and they've taken one leg of my jeans and the front of my sweater and then they've left. It's like in Friends when he's like, I've been mugged and they stole my shirt pocket. That is how I'm feeling right now. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What are you thinking? Would you wear this outfit? Maybe if I put the other leg on, but I'm too lazy for that. What am I wearing? This is a look, if I'm honest. a look. It's not a good one, but it is one. The next item is from Pretty Little Thing. It does mean I will have to take my great new jeans off to switch them for this item, but we're okay with that, we can do that. The next item is questionable. It's fluffy. This is feathers. It's a fluffy feather, high-waisted nappy, basically. I don't want to be harsh to people, but I mean, who came up with this? Who? I got fluff in my face. I just want to kind of see the team behind these shorts. Now, they were in festival wear. I know that at festivals you kind of get away with very out there items of clothing, but does no one else think that this looks a little bit like a nappy, or if you're from the US, a diaper? They were worn as shorts, but to me they look like giant underwear, nothing on the back, and as you can already tell, you can see the tag through them. So pretty see-through, and they have fluff on the front. And I just thought they looked really interesting. Look at this. I've got like a massive red indent from where I sat on that. That is not kind. So, this is me in my adult diaper. Tell me this doesn't look like a nappy. These are the shorts. Shorts, nappy, same thing basically. If you had a fancy dress party and you wanted to go as a baby, this would be part one of the outfit. Wear these. This is your nappy sorted. Get yourself a dummy and you're ready. I would love to know how many people wore these this year, because I don't know how they're getting away with it. This doesn't look right on me. Maybe on some people this looks like sexy. To me, this just looks a little bit weird and just weird. That's the only word. I've got no more. That's all I've got. That's all I've got. I don't know what I'm wearing, and I'm going to take it off because I'm very uncomfortable in it. Also, no, I won't show you the back of these because I do think it might be against YouTube's guidelines. These are a pair of shoes that I haven't opened yet because I wanted to do it on camera. They came from eBay. They weren't cheap. Wow! Wow! So I'm gonna try these on, and as you can tell, my foot won't go this way in them, it will go this way in them. They're ballet shoes, basically. I'm actually quite scared to put my foot inside. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get my feet in these. How are these shoes? How are these shoes? I've had one ballet lesson in my whole life and I hated it and I cried. So ballet shoes, probably don't know how to correctly walk in them, but I'm gonna go ahead and try. First issue, I don't know whether this is my left or my right foot. Wait. Okay, they're both slightly bending one way, so I'm assuming this is my right foot. So I'm assuming I wear them this way round? Does that seem right, or am I being stupid? I just don't know. I just don't know. This looks ridiculous. There is no way I'm standing on that. This is, no. How the heck do I stand in these? Please give me at least half an hour to do these laces up to start with. I'm getting there. I am going to fall flat on my face the second I stand up. I'm not going to let myself stand in these until both are on properly so that you get the full show, the full experience of these shoes. Yes. Oh, what are these? Oh, are these for my toes? Oh, why would I find these after I've already done the laces on the other one up? Oh, interesting. What the heck? I'm gonna go ahead and say these are some of the softest things I've ever felt. They're like silicone, but silky matte silicone squishy greatness. And I'm gonna just pop that on my toes. What is this? I mean, gonna go ahead and say toe protection, obviously, but what? Ooh, they are missing a little buckle thing. Look, all of these bits are just popping out. That's not good. Meanwhile, my foot feels like a flippin' sardine. Not that I don't know what a sardine feels like, but my foot does. Shoes are on. We're gonna take our first steps. I'm actually really nervous, and also I'm sweating because that was a workout. I'm just gonna hoist myself. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm up. I have to hold on for support. Gosh. Oh my god. The pain is so real. Oh, I'm getting cramp in my foot. Ow! Ow! That silicone pad is really helping my right foot. I didn't put it on the left one, but I'm going to. I can't get it off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the left silicone pad thing in because my left big toe is in agony. So there's that. It's like hobbling on a stilt. I actually can't stand up. Oh my goodness. The balance is like not there. Oh my goodness. These are not easy to walk in. I feel like my... Oh no, Whaley! These are not... No. Right, let's just... Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. I'm very out of breath. I feel like you're gonna think I'm acting, but I'm being genuinely serious. These are impossibly hard to stand in. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious me. I think I'm getting the hang of it slightly, but it is so painful. And I don't see how you could like walk in these anywhere. Oh, my feet are in agony. Okay, just, oh, I'm in so much pain. My feet are in so much pain. Look at the shape of these. My jeans can just slip over the top. Look at that. That is great. Genuinely need a breather. Still haven't quite learned how to balance these things. Oh my god. You know when horses are just born and they're like, their little legs do this while they try and walk for the first time? Me. Okay, so heel is here, toes are here, my foot is like this. Awfully painful, like so painful to stand in. I'm half balancing on my big toe and half balancing on my heel, but barely balancing on either, and the arch of my foot isn't balancing on anything. And as I said to you, I've never done ballet before, so my big toe hasn't been like worked so that that feels normal. This does not feel normal. This is painful. I'm trying to work out how you walk in these and make them look normal, how you stand in them. Imagine standing talking to someone in these. Ballet people don't even stand anyway, do they? They do this. Oh, wait, I've got way more balance if I do this. Oh, I can stand in these, although that is really painful. Okay, as painful as this is, I can balance like this. If I tiptoe around, which is what ballet people do, I can balance. I can't stand, but if I just constantly walk, I can balance, but it does really, really freaking kill. Who's wearing these? Who's, ooh! Oh, the pain taking one foot off is not worth it. On the carpet, it's a little bit harder to balance, but on solid ground, there's way more pain in my toe. Like, a lot more pain in my toe. Shooting pain in a toe. Oh. Hey, you can lay on the sofa and you don't get the bottom of your shoes on the sofa because look at them. I'm coming for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my feet hurt so much. And also, I ripped the sofa. You see this nice bit of thread that's been ripped out? Yeah, that was the back of the jeans. The back of the jeans just ripped my sofa. That's great, isn't it? Just ripped the sofa with these stupid jeans. These are actual torture. They are so painful. Never, never again, never.